Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss if you are new, and if you're a returning stitchy, welcome back. So we hit 8K, can you believe it? And we are less than 300? Are we less than 200? We're less than 300 away from 9K and another giveaway. So today we are doing a giveaway to celebrate our milestone. It's not huge, but I hope it's okay. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind leaving a thumbie and a comment in the description box below, because we're on our way to 10K this year. And that helps push me out in the algorithm to new people. So I would really appreciate it. It's free. It helps. More than you guys realize it helps. Those comments and the thumbs up helps tremendously because it's engagement. So okay, I kind of have a mix of things in here. There's high-end, and then there's, you know, mid-range or whatever, and then I have a notions bag put together as well. So I don't know if this is discontinued. I want to think it is. I never ended up using it. I really wanted to, but I'm purging in a big way. So we have 3 of Premier Nordica in the black and white color. It is self-patterning design, 546 yards, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 100% anti-peeling acrylic. It is so nice feeling. This is bar none one of the best acrylics I've ever felt. Genuinely, this feels on par with a lot of merinos that I felt. Merino with nylon, I like it a lot. It's a DK weight, and the color is Harbor Gray. So there are 3 of those. There is a red heart, it's a wrap, rainbow, 55 acrylic, 45 cotton, 623 yards or 570 meters. And this is in the color Sea Glass. Really, really, really pretty. I've held on to this one for a really long time. This is in a fingering weight. Okay, we have 3 hanks from Darn Good Yarn. This is their lace weight silk yarn in Outback Oasis. It's 50 grams, 275 yards, 100% of the recycled silk, silk. They're really soft. They feel kind of like, it feels like silk for sure. Kind of feels like a microfiber sort of silk. It's nice. It's really nice. There's 3 of those. Okay, there are 2 of these cakes. Now these are Millens from Hirschner's. It's their cotton cakes. So it's basically the same thing as like the Yarn Art. Yarn Art Flowers Moonlight. Okay, so there are 2 of these cakes. It is a fingering weight, and so it goes from navy to mid blues to light blues to a light purple with sparkle. So there's like 1,093 yards in these, I believe. It has a silver Selena, and it is either all cotton or cotton acrylic. And then the metallic. So there's 2 of those so that you can make something big, or you can hold it together and it makes like a lightweight DK, and you can do most of those triangle shawls. It works up beautifully. Okay, then we have 4 hanks of Vitellana Oasis. This is 50% alpaca, 25% Peruvian Highland Merino blend, and 25% Surrey alpaca. It's a DK weight, 252 yards, or 230 meters. Well, I just whacked myself in the face with it. Did I read everything? It's in the color Tuscan. So it's in this really pretty, like, orangish red. It's like an orangish red. I can't think of what the number would, or color would be, like a really dark terracotta. It's like a brownish red with an orange undertone. There are 4 of those, so you can do damage with that for sure. Then there are 4, oh, these are so soft, of the Vitellana Dusk in Midnight. This is 60% alpaca, 40% Surrey alpaca, DK weight 231 yards, yeah, in Midnight. And so Midnight, that's pretty. Kind of depends on who you talk to. Like, it's like a blue-gray, but it sort of has a green lean to it. A blue-green-gray. We'll go with that. There are 4 of those. Okay, let me put, and then put these back. Okay. Put our 2 cakes back. Well, I guess I can repack this after the video. Oh, there's also 2 of these. Now, bear in mind, this is from my stash. This has not been used. There is nothing missing from it. It came unraveled, and I had to rewrap it on this one. And when I was pulling this out of the bin that it was stored in, well, they're naked hankies, okay? They're naked. I don't know where the wrapper for it is. But these are Yarn Bee. Oh, what is the name of these? I don't remember the name of them. But I believe it is a merino acrylic. I could be wrong. It's a DK weight. Let me show you. There is undoubtedly dye on my hands, so be forewarned. But there's about 270 yards in each of these. There's 2 of these. There's some really cute, oh man, I cannot think of the name of it. If you know the name of it, leave that below. But a really pretty, like, dusty rainbow. They're gorgeous. I love them. I only had 2 of them, so. Okay, and then I have a handful of cotton sprout from Premier. They are 230 yards, 210 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 100% cotton. And they're soft. I like it. Sorry if you can hear that sound. It's Petra coming down the stairs. You're okay, boo boo. Go ahead. So we have the color Blush. Hi, handsome boy. I'm almost done. We have the color Red, very apropos. Well, that's looking kind of pink. This is a true red. It's looking pink in the camera, but that's a true red. I wonder. Sometimes putting another color by it will balance it out, but anyway. Okay. I'm gonna guess. I think this is like, you guys know I like to try to guess the colors. I think it's like orchid or something. Haha, it is orchid. Proof. Orchid. This came from that big box of stuff from Gaga. I guarantee you I did the same thing then too. I'm annoying. I'm sorry. And then cranberry. And then a neutral to go with it. Beige. I thought these would look nice together. I can't. Eee! Okay. I don't know. I thought they would look nice together. Okay, and then I have a hook for you and some other things. Let me put this up. So, uh-oh. Oh boy. Okay, everything's fine. My dryer that I dry yarn in crashed and went boom. It happens. I do not remember what I was saying. So we'll just get into the notion bag. So you have a little notion bag. There is a crochet hook in here. The box is mangled. I do apologize. But this is, I think, cocobolo wood. And it is a size L, which is a size 7mm wood crochet hook. Then there is a stitch marker made by my friend Dee over at Dee's Creative Hands. I will try to remember to link her in the description box below, but she makes these stitch markers that goes in my subscription boxes. They are very nice. There's also just a little thing of plastic stitch markers, the Dappercon from Darn Good Yarn. There's also a little teeny cute pair of scissors from Darn Good Yarn. There's a flash drive. And then just one of these, you can hang your stitch markers off of them. I have a tin of metal darning needles. I will put them in here. I couldn't find them, but I think I remember where they're at. So I will put those in there as well. So what do you have to do? Well, first you have to hear this. Okay, should be tomorrow. I will be putting out another stitch tutorial. And then in a few days, I'm going to put out another stitch tutorial. They are going to be part of a stitch combination. If I put out these individual stitches, do you guys still want to see the combination? Will you actually watch it? Because if it doesn't do well, it pulls me down on the algorithm. So if you guys will watch it, then I'll combine them together and I'll put that out. That's what I want you to answer below, is just let me know if you would still watch the stitch combo. We are having all kinds of chaos and mess over here. Gizmo's chasing after the cat. The power's flickering because of the rain. Anyway, so yeah, let me know if you would watch that. Let me know if you are interested in stitch combinations and stuff like that. I'm really excited. I'm working on 2 garments. That will be my first garment tutorials. I'm really excited about them. So that is your homework. I will draw a winner in a week, and when I have heard back from that winner, hopefully by then we will have hit 9K. That would be very, very cool. And then we'll do another one for 9K, and then we'll have a party at 10. And then when we hit 10, we're going to 25. We're gonna get there. I believe we're gonna get there, but it all relies on you guys. So I think that's it. I hope this giveaway was okay. I'll try to do better for the next one, but yeah, I love you guys. Stay safe and stay weird and stay crafting, my friends, and I will see you later. Bye.